If your subtitles don't show up when you play a video unless you manually load them, that's because they're soft subtitles. Soft subtitles are stored as a separate track inside the video or exist as a separate file. Your player has to read and display them. Hard subtitles, on the other hand, are burned directly into the video image, so they always appear on any device or platform. Today, I'll show you how to convert soft subtitles to hard subtitles, so they show up permanently in your video. Let's get started. To do this, we'll use a simple tool called HD Video Converter Factory Pro. Beyond file conversion, it also helps you merge files, add subtitles, and more, all with a few clicks. You can download it from the official WonderFox website. The trial version allows converting up to 5 minutes per file. And if you only need to do simple conversions occasionally, you can also try the free version. It's a bit slower, but there's no time limit. I'll leave both links below. After installing, open the program and click on Converter. Drag in your video and choose your output format first. MP4 is usually the best choice for compatibility. Next, click the T box under the video and make sure the soft subtitle you want to burn in is selected. If your video doesn't have subtitles yet, click the Add button to import an external subtitle file, like SRT. Then, click the CC button and change the subtitle type to hard-coded subtitles. Click OK to confirm the changes. Finally, select a destination folder and click Run. The program will start processing, and once it's done, you'll get a new video file with the subtitles burned right in. And that's it. Now your subtitles will appear everywhere, whether it's on your TV, phone, or tablet, without needing to turn them on manually. If you want to add subtitles easily, or make sure your videos play perfectly on any device, give HD Video Converter Factory Pro a try. The download links are below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.